Hey, this is the DIY Magician with another grab bag special. We go to thrift stores and we find the grab bags, we bring them back here, we open them up, and we have fun in the process. So hang on, we'll be right back. That's pretty cool. So we're gonna leave that right there. But now this one I saved for the last. This is a, it's a Minnie Mouse, but I'm really not sure what it does. It has a little like a belt clip on the back. Oops. And it has these buttons here. It's a song. Something. It's gotta do more than just that. Maybe somebody can tell me what this is? Let's see. Hang on. I guess it's a music player for little kids, because if you hit this button a couple times, it plays a different song. That's kind of cool. Again, it's got a little clip right here and a speaker there, and it's mini. Not bad. Let's play it. She's going to play us out. Hey, thank you very much for coming along. For those of you, it's playing another song. For those of you who have been with us before, thanks for coming back. For those of you who are new to the channel, please feel free to subscribe and you get all the updates. Hey, this is the DIY Magician. We'll see you next time, and we'll have another fun time doing the long-winded songs. We'll come back with another grab bag special. Thanks again. This is the DIY Magician. Bye-bye now. Is this thing ever going to end? I know Bingo's a big song, but is it going to do the whole song? In the rap version. Come on, finish. Get a strong finish. Here we go. B-I-N-G-O, 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 and Bingo, what's his name? Oh. Stop. We gotta stop this. Bye.